A scientist spent 100 days living in a small, 592-square-foot underwater research station to see how the pressure at that depth would affect his body. When he finally came back to the surface, the results were surprising. He seemed to have turned back the clock on aging by 10 years. The man, Joe Dituri, is a former U.S. Navy diver and biomedical engineer. During his time underwater, researchers found that the protective caps on his DNA, called telomeres, grew 20% longer. Telomeres are like the plastic tips on shoelaces that keep them from fraying. As we age, telomeres get shorter, which leaves our DNA more vulnerable to damage. What Dituri experienced was the opposite. His telomeres actually grew longer, which is a key sign of reversing aging. Another impressive discovery was the huge boost in Dituri's stem cell count, which helps repair and regenerate the body. His stem cells increased by 1,000%, and he also slept much better, spending 60% more time in deep, restorative sleep. Altogether, these changes made his biological age about 10 years younger. Before his experiment, Dituri was worried about the possible downsides of living underwater, like losing bone and muscle strength, not getting enough vitamin D, and having his immune system weaken. But instead, the pressurized environment seemed to work like a hyperbaric oxygen chamber, a treatment already known to promote healing and regeneration. You need a place like this that's cut off from outside activity, Dituri said about his underwater experience. Imagine sending people here for a 2-week vacation to relax, get pampered, and enjoy the benefits of hyperbaric medicine. To stay fit, Dituri used exercise bands for an hour a day, 5 days a week, and could also swim whenever he wanted. This mix of activity and the underwater pressure likely worked together to produce these incredible results. While more research is needed to fully understand how living underwater affects the body, Dituri's story opens up the possibility of underwater wellness retreats that might help people feel and maybe even become younger. For now, it's clear that this experiment is making waves in the world of health and aging.